Again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, I know you're probably sick of me saying it already. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. You know why I keep saying that? YouTube tells me that 77% of people that watch my channel don't subscribe. 77. 2 weeks ago, it was 85, so we are getting there. So definitely hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So today's translation is, do you speak English? Do you speak English? And how you'd say that is, woka brɔfo. Woka brɔfo. Woka brɔfo. Woka brɔfo. Wo is you. Ka coming from kasa, which is to speak a language or speech in general. Brɔfo is English. Brɔfo. Oh, you see that backward C? Brɔfo is English. Or you can say wote brɔfo. Wote brɔfo. Te is to hear. Is to hear. So it's like, do you speak English? Do you hear English? Wote brɔfo. Wote brɔfo. And politeness will get you far in Ghana, so you might want to put please at the start of that. So you can either say Mepaakyɛw woka brɔfo. Mepaakyɛw woka brɔfo. Or Mepaakyɛw woka brɔfo. Mepaakyɛw woka brɔfo. And another way to say it is woka brɔfo anaa. Woka brɔfo anaa. Anaa is used for or it is used at the end of a sentence to make it a question. So it's like, do you speak English or nah kind of thing. Do you speak English? Woka brɔfo anaa. Woka brɔfo anaa. Woka brɔfo anaa. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.